check this out. So you have right here a knife, and looks like there's a couple blades here and here. Wow. First of all, that design is so beautiful. Look how big that knife, so cool. So looks like a frame lock. Nice, very soft, not super easy to like close it, but it's still very smooth, as you can see. I can't believe Columbia River make a knife like that. And then you have a little tiny knife, like unboxing knife, and then another one right here. You just spin it open, and then you have right here 3 knives. How cool is that? Wow. So I guess you'd actually have to hold this one this way and this one this way, so you kind of got a claw and a regular this kind of knife. That's so cool, very sharp. And this one is serrated and non-serrated. Wow. And the third knife right here. So you got 3 knives. That is cool, one of a kind. I never seen anything like that. Sometimes I discover vintage knives and I was like, wow, I wish I have found it a long time ago, but it's okay. We keep looking for more. You know what? This is why I make videos. This is like a fun hobby that I have. You put the knife through here and just close it. Boom. And then you have right here a knife. Like a better feel of a handle this way. There is the name of it. I cannot make up what it says. But there you go. CRKT. Beautiful vintage design. Smooth. Feels hefty. I love it. One of a kind for sure.